Yo, what's up, bro? It's good to see you. So if you're wondering why you're not getting a girlfriend, then keep watching this video. I remember I was in school, bro, and my face was full of acne, my back and everything. It was really bad. I had a shit physique, shit style, my haircut was all over the place, and getting no female attention for that, which then made me hate them even more, even though it was my fault. To then taking action because I thought like, nah, I gotta change this. I cannot stay in the same place, and started watching videos on men's fashion and other stuff like that, YouTubers, and taking action like buying different clothes, taking care of my physique, to now becoming an attractive young man that helped me attract my current gorgeous girlfriend of 2 years that I built a genuine and deep connection with. That's why in this video I'll tell you why you're not getting a girlfriend and how to fix it. So I want you to pay your full attention, because later on in the video I'll give you an action step to start building your physique today for free. So I remember I was in school and I had already like 2 years of bodybuilding experience, like working out and shit, but my physique was like more bulky and looked fat rather than muscular, because like I had strength but I didn't have the the defined muscles, which gave me no attention from girls, especially at that point where my hormones peaked, bro. And I was so horny all the time. I was like really down bad, and I couldn't do anything about it because women were like not paying any attention to me. And then I thought like I have to take action, I have to lock in, which is what I did. Started working out even more, boom, 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 boom. Then, bro, amazing results. Like my muscles started becoming bigger and a bit more defined. Like I could put on a t-shirt and it would like squeeze my arms and shit. Then I had so much fun doing it. I started getting results, started getting attention from girls. And then the summer came, bro. Boom, everything plummeted, bro. My motivation to keep working out like became non-existent. Who the fuck am I gonna show my muscles to? I don't know any girls like near me that live near me. Or I'm not gonna talk to anybody right now. Like I'm gonna sit home, play some games, do whatever. I don't really care about working out. So then sat down, bro, on my office, like old ass office chair, playing on my PS3 GTA 5, trying to get like trying to win some heists, get some money, buy some more luxury cars and shit, while eating sweet Thai chili chips. Like that was the only thing I was eating every single day. If you know, like the Lay's Thai sweet chili chips, that's the only thing I was eating. Like they were my favorite chips. I was eating them every single day, a fuck ton of them. And bro, like slowly every single day I kept doing that and kept ignoring the gym. My physique just became so shit, bro. I started becoming actually like fat, chubby. Like you could see my bitch titties and everything. It was bad. So then I thought like I cannot stay, like I cannot do this. School's gonna start soon. I have to get to work. I looked like a fat shit. So I then went down the stairs, because downstairs in my garage I have like a home gym, which I work out at. And because my dad is down there and like he's my mentor. Like he has, at that point he had like 20 years worth of experience in the gym. So he was my mentor. Like, he's the one who pushed me to start bodybuilding and improve my physique. And then I went to him and I was like kind of like, embarrassed and everything. I was like, yo, like, am I gonna really talk to him? Am I gonna really tell him like I need help? He's gonna be disappointed in me. I felt really bad. I felt ashamed, bro. Went downstairs. Like I was super like demotivated and everything. Looked at him in the eyes and told him like, I'm starting to get fat. I don't want to live this anymore. I want to improve. And he looked at me and he just said, let's get to work. He didn't tell me, like, wasn't disappointed in me. Nothing like that. He just told me, let's get to work. So I put on one of those, like, black belts, which are basically, like, for sweating and shit. They don't really work that well, but they help, like, I put them around my stomach so I could then sweat way more, like, all the fat away from my stomach and everything. And we had one of those, like, bikes which you, like, pedal and shit. And I just used to do that, like, an hour, like, a half an hour and an hour a day. Do some exercises as well. Every single day I kept doing that and doing that and doing that. And every single day at the end of the workout, once I took off the belt, it was like an ocean, bro. Fucking everywhere, like water, sweat. Like it was really, really bad, bro. And at some point, took it off, bro. Boom, started seeing abs. Went to school, bro. Everything, I'm telling you, everything was much, much better. Like my life felt amazing. Felt like a G because nobody had the physique that I had. And then I used this physique at the end of high school when me and a friend group went to the beach. And it was like a couple of girls, couple of guys. I remember we were in the water, bro. And I was trying to play kind of dead in the water like this, you know, like when you're face down in the water. It was super peaceful. I just like kept floating in the water. You know how it is. And at one point, like fucking something sharp on my back. There was a scratch, a huge scratch on my back. Felt blood coming out and everything. And I was in shock because I thought like, who did this? I wasn't even concerned about the scar. I was like, who did this? So like a couple of girls and guys there. And bro, I'm telling you, I was praying that it was a girl. And then one girl does her hand like this. It was me. I was so fucking happy because it's the first time I've got that much attention in my life. Because when, like, you know, when girls, they don't usually give you that much attention. They don't touch you. They don't bother you if they don't like you. So imagine like how happy I was at that point. Then we came out of the water and I got a fuck ton of signs from her. She was like rubbing her legs up against me. Then she kept telling her cousin that I don't have a boyfriend. Like I broke up a few months ago. She's telling me doesn't have a boyfriend. She's scratching me, touching me. She gave me so many signs, bro. I just had to get her number. I had to text her somehow. And she even left earlier, bro. I was like, fuck, bro. Like, I lost an opportunity and everything. And I didn't have my Instagram on my phone. I'm downloaded. I had to download it just to text her, bro. Like, you know, I had fun today and everything. She liked it as well. She was like, yeah, I had fun today as well. We gotta do this again. Like, I was even going home. I remember I was super giddy and happy and everything. Telling my friend, like, yo, I'm so happy, bro. Like, this girl is mine, actually. Like, you know, the other girl, you can get her, like, from the group. This girl is mine. And we, like, agreed on it and everything. Fucking started going on dates with that girl. She is my current girlfriend of 2 years, bro. I'm telling you. But if I didn't have this fucking nice physique, my huge back, bro. She literally told me, the only reason I scratched your back was because it was fucking huge. If I didn't have this nice physique, I would have never been in that situation. She would have never texted me. She wouldn't be giving me those signs. Just because I was working out and I built my physique like a G. Bro, the first thing that you're doing wrong, which is keeping you single, is that you have a bad mindset. Imagine you might be thinking that dating is really hard. Everyone is rejecting me. I have to be the best dressed, looking, fucking richest guy in the room. I have to be fucking better than Chads and everything. That's not true. At that point, I had like almost a bald head, bro, because I was in monk mode and everything. I had a fuck ton of acne on my face and my back. It was really visible. You might be thinking like, I want to build this nice Greek god statue physique. Not like too much, not like a super like huge bodybuilder type physique, but someone who you're look at yourself and think, okay, I'm defined. I look nice. I have muscle. I have everything that I need. And that's what I'm going to help you with right now. So what you need to do, bro, is have a habit tracker like what I have here and have tasks where every single day you do something that gets you closer to that goal. So you might be thinking like, oh, I have to go to the gym. I have to start paying that shit and like getting equipment and it's super hard and difficult. I have to get a protein powder. You don't need any of that shit. I haven't used in my 8-9 years of right now of bodybuilding, I only drank two of those big boxes, like big bottles of protein. Only 2 of those, which was like in the same, like kind of like a similar period. So for like 6 years of my journey, I didn't drink anything. No protein, just straight up food. And you might be thinking like, oh, but yeah, I have to pay for the gym and everything. It's super expensive and all that shit. It's super far away from my place. Fuck no, bro. The only thing that I used to do every single day for like 3 years was work out in my home. Like I want my home in my garage. Dark as fuck. Little to no equipment. But I still found a way to make it work. But then you might be thinking, I don't even have a garage. I don't even have equipment. Doesn't matter. Do you have a floor? Start using that shit for your exercises. So this is your action step right now. Once you finish this video, actually, no, right now, pause this video, drop down, do some push-ups. Then once you do some push-ups, do like 3 sets of as many as possible. Then you do some sit-ups. Just by you literally just doing push-ups and doing these exercises on the floor, that's more than enough for you to start building muscle. Because as a beginner, you can literally start throwing monkey shit around and still build muscle. Of course, you can at some point you won't be able to make more muscle just by doing push-ups and other shit like that. But for now, for at least like a few months, keep increasing the number. Maybe that's something like a backpack on you or some shit. Start using a backpack for like bicep curls and everything. You have so much potential, so much work to do right now. You shouldn't even be thinking about, oh, I have to go to the gym. I haven't gone for like the first 3 years of my fitness journey. So if I can do it, bro, so can you. So if you want my personal help to sculpt a Greek god physique so that you can find and attract a gorgeous girlfriend in less than 90 days, click the link in the description where you can apply for a call with me so we can see if I can help you with my one-on-one mentorship, how it works and everything. No pressure, bro. Stop wasting time. Bye.